Hello, guys. I would like to take you on a quick tour to our website. I just wanted to take a quick second to guide you through our website. I know a lot of people might not even aware of what I do. This is my business. I'm the founder, and I have a great team that I work with. If I go here, we have got this exclusive partnership proposal. This is really a special arrangement where for a tiny monthly retainer fees, you get exclusive access to our team. So this is really suited for people that just want to focus in what they're good at and just outsource. So we just come on board and take all that pressure out of you and just help you move that needle forward. We can manage your website. We can do all the things that you saw on the homepage. So you can focus on your business instead of try to figure out all the things. For most people, it's just draining, because it's not your specialty, but you still have to have it. Just a great idea to outsource that to people that are good at it, and we are pretty good at it. You can come here. You can have a look at our portfolio from graphic design, so you can see we design a lot of websites. So go ahead, explore the website, and if you're ready, just book a free strategy call, and we'd really love to work with you.